Welcome to the first tutorial on living the Muslim life. We are going to look at the 10 obligatory acts and why they are important to Muslims today. The 10 obligatory acts are the most important duties of Shia Muslims. They are based on the Quran, Hadith and work of early Shia scholars. Even though Sunni Muslims also perform them, only Shia Muslims refer to them as the 10 obligatory acts. Can you remember each of the 10 acts? The first is Salah, which means praying 5 times a day. Sawm means fasting during the month of Ramadan. Hajj means pilgrimage to Mecca in Saudi Arabia. Every Muslim who is able to has to make the journey at least once in their life. Zakah means the alms, or charity, to be given based on ownership of things like gold, cattle and crops. Tax set at 20% for causes decided by Shia leaders. Jihad means striving in the way of Allah. This can refer to greater jihad, the personal struggle that individuals go through to be a good Muslim, and lesser jihad, known as holy war. This means encouraging good actions, like encouraging fellow Muslims to pray 5 times a day or fast during Ramadan. This means discouraging bad actions, like discouraging fellow Muslims from drinking alcohol, which is haram. Tawalla is association with good people, for example, people who follow the al-Bayt, the people of the Prophet's family. Tabara means disassociation with evil people. The 10 obligatory acts are a way of showing commitment to Islam, through actions. They connect Shia Muslims with Allah, purify their hearts, improve the community, and allow them to be blessed with a good afterlife. In the exam, you might be asked to outline 3 of the 10 obligatory acts, or to explain 2 ways a Shia Muslim can practice the 10 obligatory acts. In summary, Shia Muslims believe in 10 obligatory acts based on Quran, Hadith, and the work of early Shia scholars. These principles are important for Shia Muslims because they show commitment to their faith through action, not just words.